Welcome everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss about the third domain of AI. Okay, that is natural language processing. So let's start. We have understood the basics of computer vision, which deals with how machines understand visuals and use them in various fields. Okay, so in the previous session, I have discussed about the how machine can understand the image data. Okay, by the second domain of AI, that is computer vision. Okay, how computer or machine can understand the image type data. Okay, so in this session we are going to discuss about the natural language processing. Okay, natural language processing the means the language which is spoken by the human. Okay, it has already given uh, natural language spoken by the humans. Okay, the language which is just spoken by the humans, that is known as the natural language. Okay, so this to understand the natural language, that is known as the natural language processing. Okay, processing means working. Okay, processing means working or analyzing. So NLP intends to bridge the gap between the machine language and the way to computer can understand it. Okay, so NLP refers to it creates the bridge between the machine and the human. Okay, we can say machine and the human, or we can say machine on and sorry, we can say computer and the human. Okay, so actually ये करता क्या है कि एआई में देखिए एआई में है क्या कि एक रियली में बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है कि नेचुरल लैंग्वेज को समझना, कंप्यूटर को मशीन को समझाना नेचुरल लैंग्वेज। जैसे इन केस ऑफ currently we are using Alexa, currently we are using Google voice assistant, we are using Siri. Okay, these types of voice assistant we are using. So these all voice assistants can understand our natural language. Okay, it has a highly enhanced by the AI and AI algorithms. Okay, it is the higher programmable applications. The applications and devices that fall in this domain are called NLP enabled applications, or simply NLP applications and NLP devices. So the devices or applications which can understand the natural language, that is known as the NLP enabled applications or NLP enabled devices, like that. So if I am saying that NLP enabled device, then our smartphone is NLP enabled devices. That means our phone can understand our natural language by using uh, Google as voice assistant. Okay, Google voice assistant is the applications of NLP, that is natural language processing. Digital assistants and chatbots are common examples of NLP. So in the last session, I have already discussed about the chatbot. Okay, how chatbot is replying. Okay, how chatbot is replying to us. So I am going to show you an example, okay, of chatbot, how chatbot is processing on our natural language. Okay, so just wait for a second. Yeah, I have opened a chatbot. The chatbot is by default inbuilt in Windows 11 Explorer Edge. Okay, so it depends on my internet connection. Just internet is little bit of slow, little much more slow. Just wait, I am checking. Yeah, now it will work as proper. Just wait for a minute. Yeah, so I am going to apply the Natural language. Okay, I will ask the from the chatbot in natural language. Okay, that means my language. Okay, currently internet is not working properly. Okay, I will show you later. Okay, so how chatbot is working, how chatbot is processing on natural language. Okay, so it is other applications are speech recognition, language translation, document classification, validating the documents, identifying fake news and hate speech, detecting threat keywords in online communication, online training, etc. So these all are the yeah, these all are the contents comes inside the natural language processing. So natural language processing is a complex thing to deal with. Okay, so in this sense natural language processing is the very complex thing because of how computer can understand the natural language. Just like I am giving example, one person is asking what is the weather. Okay, so machine has to give the answer in correct way, and one another person is asking that uh, how is the weather, so both answers will be same. Okay, so just I am giving a question. One person is asking what is the weather. Okay, and how is the weather. So both questions are same, but how machine can answer it, that is understood by the machine. Okay, so these both questions are same, but it is the biggest challenge to how machine can analyze these questions and deal with the good answer. So at your age, you are growing, even you need a few years of getting well conversant in English language, and despite being well conversant, it cannot be said that one has mastered entire language. Then think how challenging it for machine to do as so, as it is understand everything in the form of numbers only. So you know that computer can so everyone you know that computer can understand numbers only, but in the case of natural language processing it is the very challengeful. How it is the very challengeful, think about it. Like suppose you are a child, okay, of 5 years of old child, and you knows very few English. Okay, like eat, run, do like that. Okay, so you have learned smoothly English language, but on that time to till now you are not perfect in that language. Okay, so even professors and PhD holders also done the mistakes in English language. So nobody can be the perfect in English language. Okay, very few persons is perfect, but not 100%. So it is the very challengeful to teach to the machine that how they it will analyze और process the natural language. ओके, ये भी एक चैलेंज ही है कि मशीन कैसे हमारे लैंग्वेज को समझेगा। ठीक है, क्योंकि हम लोग है क्या कि हम लोग खुद ही इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते 100% प्योर। ठीक है, हम लोग कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं तो हम लोग खुद ही 100% परफेक्ट इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते, तो मशीन कैसे समझेगा, है ना। तो ये सब चैलेंजेस है मशीन के लिए। अब कुछ चैलेंजेस क्या है वो थोड़ा सा देखिए यहाँ पे। फर्स्ट, नेचुरल लैंग्वेज challenges for machine. Okay, so natural language challenges for machine. There are many challenges in the way machines should be able to process natural language. First, Language syntax and semantics. Syntax, as always, syntax refers to the structure and grammar of the language that you have been reading as your English language. So till now you have studied about the what is syntax. So no need to explain what is syntax. Syntax is just a rule. Okay, to maintain your language or to write or understand the language. Okay, we can say structure of grammar. Semantics refers to the underlying meaning and sense that words and description hold. Okay, semantics means what? Semantics means suppose किसी की अगर हम फायर बोलते हैं तो फायर कहने का सेंस ये भी होता है कि गोली चलाना। फायर करने का ये भी सेंस होता है कि आग। ठीक है, आग लगाना, आग आग कहेंगे, या फिर फायर करने का मतलब गोली चलाना भी होता है। तो यहाँ पर दोनों का सेंस अलग हो गया। तो ये हो गया आपका सिमेंटिक्स। कैन यू ट्रांसलेट दिस, डिस्क्राइब व्हाट फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस में। यहाँ पर एक सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है, इसको कहने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। यहाँ पर सेंटेंस है, यहाँ पर देखिए सेंटेंस दिया हुआ, तो इसमें क्या है कि आप नोटिस कीजिए, द सेंटेंस इज ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट but it has a logical mistake. You can translate it and tell, but machine can only translate it without figuring out its sense. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, ये ये जो सेंटेंस दिया है, द डॉग्स बार्क वाज लाउडर देन द बार्क ऑफ द ट्री, ये सेंटेंस ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट है। बट मशीन इसको सेंस कैसे करेगा? मशीन तो भाई समझेगा सिंपल लैंग्वेज है ना, जैसे कि डॉग, जो हम जैसे कि बार्क मतलब भूखना, तो वो भी बार्क ऑफ द ट्री, वो भी क्या ट्री के बारे में सोचेगा, ट्री भूखता है उसके बारे में सोचेगा। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मशीन सेंस नहीं कर पा रहा है। जैसे कि इडियम्स एंड फ्रेज हो गए, तो ये सब मशीन सेंस नहीं कर पाएगा, या फिर फीलिंग्स वगैरह को मशीन सेंस नहीं कर पाता है। तो उसके लिए यहाँ पर यही सब बड़ा चैलेंज है। नेक्स्ट है हमारा, नेक्स्ट क्या है, कॉन्टेक्स्ट, इमोशंस एंड मल्टीपल मीनिंग्स। वही बात आ गया, मशीन हमारे कॉन्टेक्स्ट को, इमोशंस को और मल्टीपल मीनिंग्स को नहीं समझ सकता। ओके, सो इसके लिए बड़े बड़े एल्गोरिदम लिखे जाते हैं कि हाउ मशीन कैन आंसर इट। ओके, हाउ मशीन कैन एनालाइज on this type of questions and this type of details. Okay, so there are some examples. Not I am not explaining much more of this, and because it you can understand easily these lines. So I am saying just, I feel sorry for this condition, so it is feeling. I am sorry for my mistake, it is apology. I am sorry I can't help you, like in this situation, like that, so it is helplessness. So these all are the feelings, emotions and context, multiple meanings. Okay, these all are the context, emotions and multiple meanings. So it is the very big deal with the machine to understand these kinds of data. Okay, so it is the next is the apply. It is a practical thing, not practical, but you need to just for study, reading purpose. Okay, so there is a note. This is a very basic form of approach. Many other algorithms. So I was already telling to you एल्गोरिदम, आपको पहले ही बताया था एल्गोरिदम के बारे में। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर जो आपको चैप्टर में दिया गया है, थोड़ा सा बेसिक दिया गया है कि आपको आपको समझाने के लिए। ये जो इस चैप्टर में जो आपको दिया गया है, ये सिर्फ बेसिक दिया है कि मशीन कैसे समझता है इन सभी चीजों को। ठीक है, ये सिर्फ बताया गया है, लेकिन रियल मायने में क्या है ना, रियल मायने में कंप्यूटर में बड़े बड़े एल्गोरिदम लिखे जाते हैं ताकि मशीन आपका समझ सके। ठीक है, मोर अदर एल्गोरिदम्स वर्क टुगेदर इन प्रोसेसिंग टेक्स्ट फॉर डॉक्यूमेंट क्लासिफिकेशन। ओके, सो you will learn about the actual functioning and programming in higher classes. Okay, higher classes. So यहाँ पर क्या है कि देखिए, यहाँ पर अभी मशीन लर्निंग की जहाँ तक की बात आती है, तो यहाँ मशीन लर्निंग की बातों के लिए यहाँ पर यही कहा जाता है। अभी के टाइम में जो हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं मशीन लर्निंग के लिए ना, वो पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज यूज हो रहा है। ठीक है, वो कौन सा लैंग्वेज यूज हो रहा है? पाइथन। Okay, Python is the very common and easy language. Okay, so everyone can understand it. Everyone can understand this language. So Python is the very popular language and it is highly in the current situation, this language is highly using inside the artificial intelligence. Okay, so if you choose pursue your studies and career in the field of artificial intelligence, you shall learn many amazing things about it on your higher studies. This chapter introduced you to three main domains in artificial intelligence, which deals with डेटा कंप्यूटर विजन एंड नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग. सो यहाँ पर आपको जस्ट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में बताया गया है, तीन डोमेन के बारे में, डेटा कंप्यूटर विजन और नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग. ओके, सो आपका चैप्टर समाप्त हो चुका है. बेहतर तैयारी कीजिए. ठीक है, यहाँ पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, तो क्वेश्चन आंसर भी थोड़ा सा देख लिया जाए, है ना. So first question is, the artificially intelligent machine learns from which of the following? Okay, so the answer will be, what will be the answer? The answer will be program, logic, data, or programmer. So a machine can understand data. Okay, artificial intelligence, that means data. Okay, डेटा से ही मशीन को सिखाया जा सकता है कुछ भी. विदाउट डेटा का मशीन कुछ नहीं सीख सकता. नेक्स्ट, NLP, natural language processing domains of AI deals with which of the following? Speech language. Option D. CV means computer vision. Computer vision domains of AI deals with which of the following? Visual data. Option B. Option B, visual data. What will be the color of a pixel whose bits of red, blue, and green all are set to 1? So it will be black. Okay, it will be black. I am giving the markups also. First, data. Second, NLP, speech recognition. Third, visual data. And fourth, black. So if it will increase the number, then it will change the color to lighter, like that. Okay. So next question. The water ate fish before the fish could drink the water. This sentence incorrect. Which of the following ways? So this sentence is syntactically, no, it is syntactically correct but semantically incorrect. Okay, it is incorrect by semantically. So option B, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So document classification is the applications of NLP, natural language processing, an artificially intelligent machine capable of learning. Okay, next, data is the core of AI domain. Okay, next, and are the features of image, age, and corners. Okay, corners. Next, for machine, it is easier to learn the uh, for machine. It is easier to learn the सिंटैक्स या सिंटैक्स, क्योंकि मशीन इजीली समझ लेगा इस ग्रामेटिकल स्ट्रक्चर को. ठीक है, बट सिमेंटिक्स को, दैट मीन्स फीलिंग्स वगैरह को, फीलिंग्स इमोशन को नहीं समझ पाएगा. ठीक है, सीमिंग फीलिंग्स और इमोशंस को नहीं समझ सकता. So all of the objectives has completed, and these are the some question answers you can understand. I have explained very deeply. So list the three AI domains you knows about it. Artificial briefly describe how machine a learn. Machine can briefly describe how does a machine learn. Machine can learn from the data. Okay, from the data, and this data can be in AI. It has categorized in three sections, that is computer vision, okay, and computer vision data, and one more is natural language processing. What is computer vision? You already know. List three applications of computer vision. Okay, list three applications of computer vision. We can say Google Lens. First example is Google Lens. Okay. Second example is face recognition. Okay, face recognition, and like face unlock, face unlock application. And third is biometric system. Okay, as you, if you have understood, then you can give the example very easily. Okay. So what is NLP? List three in three applications of NLP. Three list of application of NLP is Alexa, which has provided by the, which has given by the Amazon, and next is you can say Siri, which has given by the Apple, and one more thing, what mm, 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 you can say Google Voice Assistant, okay, which has given by the Google. Next, briefly explain what is the challenging to machine understand natural language. So there are two options, two topics has given, that is context, feeling, and emotions, and one more option is syntactically and grammatically. Okay, so categorize the following AI applications. So first, autonomous vehicle. Autonomous vehicles comes inside the computer vision. Second, predicting rainfall. Predicting rainfall is data. Digital assistant. Assist. I am going to write also. Okay. So autonomous vehicle. Autonomous vehicle is CV, computer vision. Predicting rainfall. Predicting rainfall is data. Digital assistant is NLP. Okay, it is NLP. Face recognition, it is computer vision. Okay, CV. Forecasting next sales figures. So it will be forecasting, it will be data. Okay. Under identifying handwriting, it is handwriting, that means computer vision. Okay, computer vision and also NLP. हैंडराइटिंग कंप्यूटर विजन में आ, क्योंकि वो इमेज इमेज के फॉर्म में आ गया, और वो जो लिखा हुआ वो टेक्स्ट को एनालाइज हुआ तो वो क्या होगा, एनएलपी में भी आया, दैट इज नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग. डिटेक्टिंग हेट स्पीच. डिटेक्टिंग हेट स्पीच इज एनएलपी. आइडेंटिफाइंग फेक न्यूज. So identifying fake news is also comes inside the NLP. Detecting fraudulent transactions by the bank. So it is data. Search product by its image, that is computer vision. Okay. So all of the question answers has been completed. There is nothing. So everyone, uh, I have completed your journey, and I have tried to do my best. Okay. So uh, अब आप लोग का सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो चुका है, आप लोग अच्छे से पढ़िए, मार्क्स लाइए. और कुछ ऐसे स्टूडेंट हैं जिनका 100 में 90 प्लस ही आता था, तो उन लोगों का मार्क्स कुछ गिरा है, तो वो लोग भी ध्यान दें. ठीक है. जैसे आप थे वैसे बने रहें, है ना. जैसे आप थे वैसे बने रहें, अपने अंदर वीकनेस ना आने दें. ठीक है. हम वैसे स्टूडेंट को बोल रहे हैं स्पेशली जिनका मार्क्स गिर गया है. ठीक है. तो भाई हमेशा याद रखिए, लाइफ में उतार चढ़ाव आता रहेगा. ठीक है. तो लाइफ में उतार चढ़ाव आए तो उससे अपने लाइफ में इफेक्ट मत होने दीजिए ज्यादा कुछ. ठीक है. चलिए. सो एवरीवन, a happy journey. Okay, and I wish you to all of you to get the highest marks. Okay, 100 out of 100, and good luck. Okay, in future maybe I will meet again. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you.